In the heart of the neon-lit harbor, a friendly rivalry sparks.
Let's go, Riko and Nori. Show us what you've got.
The duel heats up as Riko and Nori push their limits.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Not today, tortoise. Uh-oh. I think something's wrong.
Hold on, Mika. We've got this.
Don't let go, Panda! I'm coming! You guys are amazing! Teamwork makes the dream work.
Narrator. The gym stabilizes as Mika embraces her rescuers.
Guess you're not so slow after all, Riko.
And you're not just speed, Nori.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Catch you later.